Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Power the card, open the bank app, and authenticate with 2FA. Once done, register the card using its serial or last 4 digits. The app uses Wi-Fi to verify device proximity. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the phone is connected to a stable network. You will enter an initial PIN and accept terms. This step links the physical card to your digital profile, so later transactions route securely through the Wi-Fi bridge. Now you perform the activation sequence. Open the activation flow and select Wi-Fi activation. You place the card near the phone while the app scans available networks. The bank sends a one-time code to the card over the network, and you enter it to confirm. Once linked, set daily limits, contactless options, and billing details. The app explains why each setting matters. Limits reduce fraud risk, and contactless controls prevent accidental charges. Keep the card nearby until the app shows a successful activation message. To use the card, enable its Wi-Fi and follow the bank's payment flow. Either open the app to authorize or tap at a supported POS per instructions. You will see live transaction confirmation, check amounts, and merchant details. If something goes wrong, reset the card's Wi-Fi, restart your phone, and retry within 5 minutes. This clears temporary keys. If errors persist, note the serial and error code, disable the card in app, and contact support. That quick troubleshooting step prevents fraud and gets you back to spending safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.